Welcome to our comparison of two leading beard trimmers, the Panasonic ER-GB42-K and the Andis T-Outliner. In this video, we'll explore their features, performance, and what sets them apart. Whether you're looking for versatility or precision, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The Panasonic ER-GB42-K operates on a rechargeable battery, providing the freedom of cordless grooming. In contrast, the Andis T-Outliner is a corded trimmer, ensuring consistent power without the worry of battery life. This difference significantly affects their usability in various settings. The Panasonic trimmer features a precision dial with 19 adjustable length settings, making it ideal for various beard styles. On the other hand, the Andis T-Outliner boasts a zero-gap blade that allows for the closest shave possible, perfect for sharp lines and detailing. This makes the Andis a favorite among professionals. The Panasonic ER-GB42-K is designed for both wet and dry use, making it versatile for grooming in the shower or at the sink. In contrast, the Andis T-Outliner is strictly a dry-use trimmer, which may limit its convenience for some users. This distinction is crucial for those who prefer a quick rinse after trimming. In conclusion, both the Panasonic ER-GB42-K and the Andis T-Outliner have their unique strengths. The Panasonic excels in versatility and ease of use, while the Andis is unmatched in precision and power. Choose the one that best fits your grooming needs, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.